I'm going to go on a little different direction for today's video. I hope it hits home with you. I would like you to simply listen through the two lists I will go through, and then I will wrap things up by sharing a few thoughts at the end. Seriously, take the time to listen and absorb each point. Don't worry, it should only take a few minutes and it can seriously alter your mindset and change your life. Hey, this is Saeed Mohsin, a residential real estate broker and team owner and founder at the Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe below to get insights on how to grow your real estate business. These things are hard. Making your calls when you don't feel like it, tracking your numbers to hold yourself accountable, convincing for sale by owners to let you in the door for a preview meeting, shooting videos when you are scared of the camera, knocking on doors surrounding your open houses, practicing your scripts for hours in order to internalize them, committing yourself to increase your market spend, working late to accommodate your client's schedule, finding the perfect referral partner for a client moving out of state, calling an expired even though you know they're getting a lot of calls, hiring the right team members, finding time to meet with past clients for coffee meetings, posting your videos for all the world to see and critique, systemizing your online lead follow-up to ensure speed to lead, figuring out the hashtags, writing and regularly reviewing your business plans, operationalizing your business to ensure it runs smoothly regardless of how busy you are, making sense of social media platforms and creating specific content for each, fitting everything in your schedule, prospecting 2 hours a day, 5 times a week, striking on conversation with complete strangers, training your team members, learning how to delegate tasks to an assistant, managing your schedule so you can attend at least 3 training events annually, reading a new business book every 15 days, A/B testing your ads to maximize your return on investment. And these things are also hard. Telling your kids hockey, dance, or theater is too expensive, pick a different hobby. Feeling stuck as a professional plateau for years at a time. Arguing with your spouse because you haven't taken a vacation in years. Driving the same old car that keeps giving you problems. Lacking financial stability to withstand a family emergency, car accident, family health care. Worrying whether or not you will be able to make your mortgage payment or rent payment every month. Convincing your children to attend to lesser university because you can't afford their first choice. Wondering if you will be able to buy groceries for your family this week. Missing the concert or play you wanted to see because tickets are too expensive. Fearing the medicine your doctor prescribed will wipe out your income. Being in a constant state of stress over your finances and overall situation with your life. The moral of this story is simple. Life is hard no matter which direction you choose. And please don't get the wrong idea. I'm not saying life is all about money. I am saying it's all about doing the things that give you the power to design the lifestyle you desire. So why not make the difficult stuff get you to a place where you can enjoy yourself instead of being stuck in a constant, never-ending struggle? You need to choose your heart. Like my mentor Tom Ferry would say, do the thing, have the power. Commit to yourself to accept the difficulties on the first list so you never have to deal with the difficulties on the second list. You in? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this content useful, as always, follow my channel and check out my other videos for insights on growing your real estate business.